Okay, I guess we're ready to do some testing of some tubes. Over here I have set up my older Seco model 78 grid circuit tube tester. And I will be comparing that with my new tube tester, which is an NRI 66 Professional, which is there. It's like in brand new condition. I did a video series about this tube tester. Well, anyways, what I want to do is take these new tubes that I got with a 5A445 Majestic turntable and test them all, comparing the two tube testers, which will give me a valid definition of whether this NRI 66 works fine right here. So let's proceed. And I don't know if you can see the label there, but there's a 35Z5. Look at my manual. Okay. And a few .35. Now remember, this view screen is upside down and backwards, and I have no idea why, so it drives me crazy. See if I can straighten out this. But hopefully you can see, of course it's 35Z5, so you set it for 35 filament volts. Another thing I did with the tube tester is I did check it for line voltage, and that seems fine. Okay. And the SWR switch R. It's been a while since I ran this. Should be on D. The 35Z5 is only a one test, so it's not two sections. Okay, the load should be at 35. And the switch L, which is this guy, should be set on Z. Okay, let's put it in there and see what it says. Let's check for shorts. Well, you can see the tubes going up to the good section. Check for shorts. Shorts down here is where it says green. And it's staying steady. And again, this reads good. Okay. Let's take this tube out. Put everything back down to normal position, especially the filament. Okay, go to my other manual for the NRI 66 Professional. Look up 35Z5. 35Z5, here we go. Also, would help if I actually turn this so you could see it. Okay. I don't know if you can see this or not, but anyways, 35Z5, A circuit on 3. Oh, first of all, let's check the line. That's pretty close. Okay. Anyways, 35Z5, A circuit 3, That's A circuit. B, the filament voltage, obviously I don't have to look, it's 35. Well, that's interesting. That's a 32, and it's a 35, but it is supposed to be 32. Okay. So, obviously that's normal. Okay. And C load should be at 20. And again, this is one section test. 20. And 35Z5. Sorry, that's 21. Okay. 35Z5. No, it's 20. Okay, 35Z5. Okay, up is 2. Let's see. Down is 7. Now, I hope you can see this. On this tube tester, if you wanted to test the tube, 7 is up. Let me keep track here. 7 is up. Now you can see that 7 and 2 are in bold. That means the switches go up. Anyone that isn't in bold means the switches go down. And what this does is, if you do one at a time, when you put the tube in, there's a shorts test light here. When you put 3, 4, or 8 down, if they stay on, that means there's a short in the tube. Okay, so let's try that. A circuit 3, B filament 32, C load 21, 7's supposed to be up, all levers in the middle, 2 should be down, and I don't know if you can see it, but the shorts light is lit up.